Okay, so I think the recording has started. Okay, so yeah, it's Sunday. It's 5 p.m. IST. Yeah, I think Poppy my dog say, saying, "Oh, what are you?" Okay, so yeah, leave this stuff. So first we'll be talking about the moment, about this moment, what is happening. A BTC breakout is happening. Yeah, if you see of the 4 hour, you will not see it happening. But on the daily time frame, it has formed BTC has formed an inside bar, and the breakout is happening. As you can see, if we can form a diamond like this, then it will go up, right? So the all time high, which is in the like 106, 107, is going to be broken in the next week or so, and our target of 120,000 can be achieved, right? Because the Kumo is becoming thicker, right? I don't think it is this thick right here. You can see as the trend continues, the Kumo is getting to be thick. Right? Okay, so as of you don't know, there is my channel on X also with this account. You can see below the channel description, and also I want to share the DX5. What has happened, right? The US has turned into Moody's a level of like the description, which is getting a little worrying sign for the like US indices like US 30, which has also like if you can see also seen a sharp decline, right? So you see what I think is the 40,000 level, 41,000 level is a level that it can like a major, like minor, not a major, a minor correction or pullback is incoming, right? As you can see, when it is in a high peer frequency, it tends to go up, and when it's in the like a major grid, then it's tend to go down, right? The contrarian approach, like the 99% lose, right? So the what does the 1% do? They do opposite of what people think, right? Okay. So it's all the same thing. All the targets are like locked up, and I'm not changing my biasness towards anything or like right now at this moment, right? You can see the price is holding above like good above like both of the line and like this in the DXY. And as you can see USY, I think I have not shared a bigger thread on anything about the oil prices, right? One, two, three, four, five, six, right? Yeah. And if you have to understand it, uh, Trump has been going to the Middle Eastern country and like raising amount, right? Like the venture capitalists do, right? So he's going to the Saudi economy and saying like you like fund us, give 1,600,000,000,000, and we will lay off your country's image and like that, right? We will not interfere in your personal matter. And so Saudi Arabia needs the price oil to be at least 96 a barrel to break even on its spending on the United States, right? So I have like said it, high profit on oil mean high investment in US by Saudi. And it's like the correct thing which I will say. Because Aramco is the like main company of Saudi Arabia, and if its revenue has like you can see the revenue of the quarter uh, first quarter is -20, right? And that's not I will think any Saudi Arabian government and Aramco or anyone thinks is good for the economy, or the 1 trillion investment, $600 billion investment Saudi Arabia is going to do in US, right? Many US entrepreneur like and Nvidia and Sam Altman is in them. right? And in Saudi Arabia and talking to the prince, crown prince, right? So okay, what like is going to happen, right? After Trump joining, the oil prices come down after like 80 to 50, right? If you can, I will like show you. Okay, 50, 55, right? Then they go up because of the OPEC and other deal which you don't have to listen, right? So what is right now the target? The price Saudi want is this 85 to 95, right? Which I have shown you earlier. And the target of mine is this all time, not all time high, but the January all time high, right? So this is a small target for me personally, I think, because I think the market will go much more up, right? Because I don't know where will the investment money come from if the US have to set up factory, set up other things, then there has to be money flowing to the US, and there's only one thing, one place. Because if you read this article on MSN.com and you will search about US oil and Saudi Arabia, then you will find other things which will link up to this fact, right? Gold. Uh, I don't know what currently is going to happen in gold because I think there's one contradiction that gold will come down to the 301 level and then go. Right? If you can see on the weekly, then you can also see that gold can rightly so come to this level and go up. But what I think is its range, right? If this is the range period, then I think because there is an uncertainty and because of the US correction and the US prices and these things, the gold can go up because of the Moody thing, right? Which you have seen. The ranking of the rating of the US economy has gone down AA from the AA plus, right? So you should like know that gold can go up, right? For a certain period of time, but its major is in bearishness, right? What I think it is. For the US 30, I have said the minor correction and like equivalent to the target. On the other hand, BTC is going like crazy. 120. If you see, if the BTC is like doing 0.80 and it is doing 1.40, right? Almost double. And that's why I have like a lot more significant that I have added Ethereum into my list, right? No, right? So these two, like the one which I have done, the like bookmark, you should know that it's important, right? I have done based on many things, um, but as you can see, they are all breaking the trend line, right? If you draw trend line in all of these, you will see a breaking of trend line, right? Breaking of trend line, and but like I have said on my targets here, I have shared my targets. You can go and see. I have also posted a thread on the USDJPY that what will happen in USDJPY. See, there are two things coming up in this week. First is US, I think, consumer data, and the second is JPY treasury growth. If those two things doesn't affect this market, I don't know what will. Because there is a proper like N wave formation, and I think the 158 or 150 level first is crucial, and then this target, right? My initial target is 150, but my forbidden target is 150. Not forbidden. My English is not as good as a sweet people thing, but yeah, I think it. I will not say it is getting better, but I will say yeah, it is. Is that okay? And yeah, USDCH is also same. I have shares. Okay, you use and you need some time. It's yeah, definitely needs some time. Okay, then that talk about the weekly, right? Yeah. absolute beauty. This is V wave correction. Yeah, V wave. Ethereum is back from the dead, right? And if I can share you the a post from Titan of Crypto, they have like said that Ethereum is back from the dead. Yeah, this is like the most bizarre I have seen. And but that's true. That's true. And it's in range. Like you can see the 2024 range. It is in range. Yeah, range high in current. See, I don't know what is incoming or what is outcoming, but I do know that uh, Trump favors crypto a hell high than any other leader out there, right? He's Bitcoin chairperson and bullshit that. And Ethereum is a thing which has a lot of potential. It has a high bulk of potential. My target is like double, right? So you can see the potential of the cryptos. So it it's like important to see and the target and to see to maintain risk, right? You can't blow up your initial capital if you are a beginner. Then you can't blow your initial capital. If you have a low capital of less than $100, then go for the like forex player, build up your capital, and these cryptos are here. Like they will be like here if you are like earned money, and they will be here. But you have an idea. You will get an idea of how the market moves, how the um, cryptos move, right? Or which timing is right, which session is right, which I think session is right for you, which timing is right for you. That's important. It's not what is right and what is wrong. It's what is in your hand, what is your risk maintaining proportion, what how much risk you can take, right? Okay. So yeah, this is the video. Okay, at 12:30. Yeah. So this is all from me. Yeah. Thank you. See you in next one.